Coming to the last part of the models, we have final model, that is elaboration likelihood model of persuasion. What does ELM says? The ELM has been derived by Richard Petty and John Capico to explain the process by which persuasion communication, such as ads, lead to persuasion by influencing attitudes. So according to ELM, the attitude formation or change process depends on the amount and nature of elaboration or processing of relevant information that occurs in response to a persuasive message. Now, this is how the ELM looks like. We have persuasive communication, motivated to process, then we have ability to process. There is a nature of cognitive possessing. We have cognitive structure change, and on the base of that, there is a central positive attitude change, and there is a central negative attitude change. So this way, there is a peripheral attitude shift, and which helps to retain or regain the initial attitude of the consumer. Here, the author says that there are two types of persuasion. One is central route to persuasion. The central route to persuasion, the receiver is viewed as a very active, involved participant in the communication process, whose ability and motivation to attend, comprehend, and evaluate messages are high. Peripheral route of persuasion. The receiver is viewed as lacking the motivation or ability to process information and is not likely to engage in detailed cognitive processing. Rather than evaluating the information presented in the message, the receiver relies on peripheral cues that may be incidental to the main argument. The receiver's reaction to the message depends on how he or she evaluates these peripheral cues. So with this, we end up with ELM, that is ELM model under integrated marketing communication subject.